Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to give you a quick overview on this Maserati Levante. We did an audio upgrade on this vehicle. So for this particular car, we actually molded a fiberglass enclosure to house this Diamond Audio 10-inch sub. This is actually a pretty heavy duty sub, so the box is very solid. As far as the amplifier, we mounted an SR 5 channel, and we're using a DSR processor to fix and correct all the signal. As you can see, actually all our wires are labeled. So all our audio, signal, everything is actually, all the signal, everything is labeled so that so if anybody has to service it down the road, they can easily identify all the cabling. Alright, so as far as front speakers on this car, we actually put in focal separates in the front, and we also did our sound treatment. So as you can tell, the door is actually solid, which creates a better enclosure for the drivers and makes them sound better. The 6.5 is here, and we actually mounted the tweeter in the stock location. So the idea was to make the car look as stock as possible and not change as little as we could, but still achieve a great sound. Here's a motorized plate on it, and we have a module built for it that allows it to work off of the stock fob. So when you hit lock, the plate will come out, and if you hit unlock, the plate will retract. So this way you can have the best of both worlds. You can be legal on the street when you're parked, so you don't get a parking ticket, but when you're driving, you can put the plate away. Alright, so the other cool feature about the motorized plate module is that it allows us to lift and lower the plate by the steering wheel. So what you do is you actually press the phone button, and on the back of the steering wheel there's a volume up and a volume down. So you press both at the same time, the plate is actually going up. And then in order to put the plate down, you press down and the phone, and it will go down. So that allows you to put the plate up. If you decide that you want the plate up, you can hit the button and put the plate up. If you're interested in this or any of our other services, please give us a text at 773-489-7469 or shoot us an email at showtimeaudiochicago.com.